Imagine feeding yourself and your family for an entire year, all from a space smaller than a parking spot. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready to transform your urban living into a food-producing powerhouse. This isn't just a dream, it's a practical, achievable reality for anyone. Many believe you need a sprawling backyard to grow a significant amount of food. That simply isn't true. With smart planning and specific techniques, a small urban plot can outperform much larger, less efficiently managed gardens. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Our focus is on maximizing every single square inch. We'll explore methods that turn limitations into advantages, proving that even the smallest balcony or patio can become a bountiful harvest hub. Get ready to challenge your assumptions about gardening space. The secret to small space success lies in a few key principles. First, embrace vertical gardening. Think upwards, not just outwards. Trellises, hanging planters, and tiered systems multiply your growing area without expanding your footprint. Next, master succession planting. As soon as one crop finishes, plant another. This ensures a continuous harvest throughout the growing season, making the most of every sunny day. Don't let any soil sit idle. Focus on high-yield, nutrient-dense crops. Some plants simply produce more food per square foot than others. Prioritize these powerhouses to get the most bang for your gardening buck and effort. Finally, practice intensive planting. This means planting crops closer together than traditional guidelines suggest, but with careful consideration for their needs. Healthy soil and proper watering make this possible. Choosing the right plants is crucial. Prioritize crops that offer high caloric or nutritional value and are space efficient. Leafy greens like spinach and kale provide continuous harvests and are packed with vitamins. Root vegetables such as carrots, radishes, and beets grow downwards, making excellent use of vertical soil depth. Bush beans and peas offer protein and can be trellised to save space. Consider perennial vegetables like asparagus or rhubarb if you have a dedicated spot. They provide harvests for years with minimal effort once established, contributing significantly to long-term food security. Don't forget herbs. They take up little space, offer intense flavor, and many have medicinal properties. They also attract beneficial insects, aiding your main crops. Start by mapping out your 100 square feet. Identify where the sun hits throughout the day. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Maximize these sunny spots for your highest-yielding plants. Raised beds are fantastic for small spaces. They allow for better soil control, drainage, and can be built to a comfortable working height. Containers are also excellent, offering flexibility to move plants as needed. Integrate vertical structures from the start. A sturdy trellis can support cucumbers, indeterminate tomatoes, or climbing beans. Stackable planters are perfect for herbs and greens. Composting is your golden ticket to rich, healthy soil without breaking the bank. Turn kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-dense fertilizer. This reduces waste and feeds your plants naturally. Starting seeds indoors saves a significant amount of money compared to buying seedlings. It also gives you more control over varieties and timing. Simple DIY seed starting setups are very effective. Natural pest management is key for a healthy, budget-conscious garden. Companion planting, introducing beneficial insects, and homemade organic sprays can keep pests at bay without expensive chemicals. Harvesting regularly encourages more production. Don't wait for everything to be perfectly ripe at once. Pick leafy greens from the outside and snip herbs often to promote new growth. Learning basic food preservation techniques is essential for year-round food security. Drying herbs and some vegetables is simple and requires minimal equipment. Fermenting vegetables like cabbage into sauerkraut is another easy, nutritious option. Even small batches of canning or freezing can extend your harvest significantly. Focus on preserving what you grow most abundantly. This ensures you have food even when the garden isn't actively producing. Beyond the fresh taste and nutritional benefits, growing your own food offers incredible financial savings. Imagine how much you spend on produce each week. Now picture that money staying in your pocket. This small garden becomes an investment that pays dividends in fresh food and reduced grocery bills. It's a tangible step towards greater financial independence and resilience. Embrace the learning process. Every season brings new lessons and opportunities to refine your techniques. Your small garden will become a living classroom, constantly teaching you. You have the power to transform a small space into a thriving food source. Don't let the size of your plot deter you. With these strategies, you can achieve remarkable self-sufficiency. Start small, learn as you go, and celebrate every harvest. Your 100 square feet is waiting to become your personal food oasis. Get planting and enjoy the incredible rewards of growing your own.